Pleasant day, ma'am, sir. The need for an encoder in your company was indicated in Manila Bulletin newspaper. If this vacancy still exists, please consider me as an applicant. I am Marian D. Vivas, 18 years old, graduated at the Pasig City Public College, wherein I have finished a 2-year course, Ladderite Education Program for BSCS. That's the accredited. I accomplished my 400 hours of on-job training. I undergo my first OJT at Office of Municipal of Social Welfare and Development, located at Padre Garcia, Batangas, as PC operator, which I encoded data using MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Then I spent another 200 hours OJT at Nerjeff J. Cyber Cafe at CM Recto, Lipa City, under Sir Nerlin Lai, as computer hardware services, which I troubleshoot computer problems, Windows installation, computer assembly, and application software. Also, computer maintenance. During my on-job training, I received my certificate of completion. That's why I believe that I'm qualified for the position. I am knowledgeable in basic computer application and troubleshooting, and of course, I have knowledge in business writing. I'm here to apply to have a work experience, improving my skills, and also to help your company. If you have given me a chance to prove that I'm a deserving and hardworking employee, you can contact me to my number and email as indicated my resume. It's my pleasure to be part of your company. Thank you.